Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you the solution or the only solution to side loading on Android TV that you need if you are an Android TV user. So this is going to be an interesting video and I would recommend you watch it carefully right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please make sure to do well to like, subscribe and share so you can encourage the channel and encourage me to create more videos like this. So that's it, let's get started. On this video I'm using an Android TV box. You can use your Android TV box or Google TV. The process I show in this video is going to be compatible with any of these devices, so anyone who use good and fine. And also, just another addition, I'm using a mouse to navigate or control my Android TV box. So my Android TV box allows me to use a mouse instead of me using my remote control. So if your Android TV allows you the same, you can do well. It's easy to navigate with a mouse than navigating with a controller or with a remote control. That's it, let's get down to business. So last year there was a report that came out that Google or Android software or the Android operating system is shutting down side loading. So it was a scare for lots of us because we use side loading a lot, and but after a while the Android software or another article said uh, side loading on Android TVs or Android devices is still going to continue. So for those of you who don't know side loading means just basically installing applications to your Android device, be it Android TV or Android phone, that are not on the Google Play Store. Softwares like Apple or operating system like Apple, um, Tizen for Samsung Smart TV, Webos for LG Smart TV. Softwares like these do not allow side loading. Even Fire Stick, the new Fire Stick Select, does not allow side loading. But on Android TV, side loading still works effectively and perfectly, despite the reports that came last year that Android was looking to shut down side loading. So in this video, I want to show you the perfect solution to side loading. So if you don't know how to side load applications to Android TV, this video is going to help you with that, because I'm going to show you every way that I use to side load applications. So as I said, side loading just means installing applications to your Android TV device that you are not available on the Google Play Store. And this happens for many reasons. The application might not be on Google Play Store yet, or you might not have Google Play Store on your Android TV. So for whatever reason you are side loading, you are going to find this video helpful. So for instance, I go over here and I go back to my apps. These are my favorite applications, or these are my best applications to get any app on my Android TV. So this one basically is the app store to this Android TV box. So I don't expect you to have this one. You might have the one that comes with your Android TV or Android TV box, whatever device you are using. So I don't expect you to have this one, but the rest you should have them. So now before you even start side loading, there's one thing you need to make sure on your Android TV, which is that your Android TV allows you to install applications from unknown sources. Because side loading, in other words, is just installing applications from unknown sources. So you need to go back to your Android TV settings and look at permissions, and then go ahead to allow installing applications from unknown sources. My Android TV box already comes prepared with that feature. If you just go back to your settings, look for permission, and then you'll be able to install applications from unknown sources. So for instance, my very first option here is going to be my browser. I can always use my browser to sideload applications, and I'm going to show you how. It is very easy. Let me just go ahead and wipe this out. So when I want to sideload applications from my browser, that is, I'm installing applications that are not available on the Google Play Store. I can always come, for instance, let's have to install VLC, and I know that I don't want to use Google Play Store. What I'll do is that I'm going to type in VLC, and at the end I'm going to add APK. So I'm going to add APK to show my browser that I'm not looking for the Google version, but I'm looking for the APK of this application. And if you go ahead and search, you are going to see lots of APKs of the application that you can install to your Android TV. And this is the very first way I sideload applications to my Android TV by going over to my browser, searching for the application and adding APK. You can try it out. Search for any application that you want to sideload and just add APK at the end. And you're going to see various options that you can install the APK to your Android TV. And this work how? The way this works is that you need to download the APK and then you'll be able to install the application. Now another option that I use is using the APK Time application on my Android TV. So the APK Time application is an app store of APK that somebody has created. So here's the application. You can search it out on your browser and you'll be able to install it from this site over here. So this is Malavida. You can install the application from here. Just click here and download and then you install. I'm not going to install it because I already have it installed on my Android TV. And this is the application over here. So here's it, and as I said, this is an app store of APKs. So there are lots of APKs over here that you can download and install to Android TV. If you follow the short tutorial I just gave you, you will download this application to Android TV and you'll be able to use it to sideload applications. There are a lot of applications in different categories that you can use. So once you go over here, you can take out your time and browse through all of them. So this is my second way, or this is another way that I use to sideload application. The next way is using downloader and downloader code. So for instance, this is a code I will use to sideload the Kodi application to my Android TV. So you go over here to downloader and you type in the code and you just go ahead and search. And what this is going to do is that it is going to redirect you to a page to download an APK of that particular application to your Android TV. So for instance, in this case, I'm downloading the Kodi application. So you see, it start downloading. This is the Kodi application. When it's done downloading, I'll be able to install the application to my Android TV. So yes, you can use downloader to sideload application. Just that you need to know downloader codes. In my YouTube channel, there are lots of downloader codes that you can check out. Just go ahead and search any keyword and you say downloader code. So for instance, when the application download like this, you'll be able to install, as I said, it's the Kodi, and I can sideload it to my Android TV using the downloader application. So that's another option I use to sideload applications to my Android TV by using downloader code. So now that's the third way, and the last way on my list, but not the least, is using the Unlink application, which is Unlink. Unlink is an application that you can cover here and add libraries. So if you check my YouTube channel, just check on 7 top Unlink codes to use. You're going to see 7 different Unlink codes that you can use to sideload lots of applications or unlock lots of app libraries to your Android TV. So if you're wondering how do you install Unlink, just go over here, type in the code 10381. If you type in this code and launch, you are going to be able to install the Unlink application to your Android TV. So far I've showed you my browser, APK type, downloader, and Unlink. Even this new app, which is just newly released, you can also use it to sideload it. But these 4 are my top, and if you know how to use these applications, then you don't need to worry about sideloading again, because you'll be able to install any application that you want to your Android TV without any Google Play Store. So these are my top applications for sideloading, and if you find it helpful, let me know in the comment section.